Do you speak Guarantees? I don't think so, because Guarantees is not a language. It is an invented word formed in the same way as other names of languages in English, such as Portuguese or Japanese, for example. In the last weeks, you might have seen or heard new words which are repeated again and again in the newspapers, on TV, or in social media. They are called neologisms. The term neologism comes from Greek neos, meaning new, and logos, meaning word. But apart from new words, neologisms also involve new usages and expressions of already existing terms. For example, Twitter is a recent term in English, but the word tweet has existed in the language for a long time. There are many ways to make up new words in different languages. Derivation, compounding, blending, acronymy, and borrowing are the most frequent ones. Sometimes more than one way or process can take place at the same time. In derivation, an affix and a free morpheme get together to form a new word. For example, am plus happy make I'm happy. In compounding, two items are joined to form a new item. Home plus work make up homework. Blending is similar to compounding, but in this case, only combining parts of the words. Smoke plus fog make up smoke. In acronymy, words are derived from the initial of other several words. BBC comes from British Broadcasting Corporation. In borrowing, words are taken from other languages, such as algebra from Arabic or patio from Spanish. And remember, sometimes more than one process takes place simultaneously and make word forming a little bit more difficult. Let's have a look at the next words and terms you might have heard in the last weeks. Coronavirus, coronials, Zoom bombing, lockdown, WFH, COVID, Tupperware, and PPE. Can you explain the process behind these terms? You can write the words down, stop the video, and find the key in the next slides. Here is the key. Coronavirus, multiple process, compounding and borrowing. Coronials, blending. COVID, multiple process, lockdown, compounding. PPE, acronym. Tupperware, derivation. WFH, acronym. Zoom bombing, compounding. Do you know the meaning of all the terms? Have you identified the processes correctly? Remember, neologisms also involve new usages and expressions from existing terms. In the last weeks, you might have had different metaphors about war or battles, such as being at war with a virus, or words such as elbow bump, greeting when we don't want to shake hands, or self-isolation, being physically separate from friends, family by own decision. There are many others such as self-quarantine, social distance, new normal, shelter in place. A lot of expressions have changed their meaning. Watch out for new terms in the media. Can you add some more to the list? Hope you have learned how to form new words and have enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.